And only on Fox tonight at 10, Erica Spencer's family, they've waited 6 years for their daughter's killer to be brought to justice. But soon after the charges were made, last year, the pandemic hit. And that hit another delay in this process. Fox Carolina's Brookley Cromer looking into how the pandemic has left court cases in limbo like this one and families like Erica Spencer's waiting for justice to be served.
And Brookley, where does Erica's case stand tonight?
Well, Tori, you'll remember we broke this case back in January 2020, right after SLED charged Brandon Maddox with Erica's murder. Now, just as the family got closer to knowing the truth, though, the pandemic halted in-person court hearings for nearly a year, backing up this case and thousands more across the state. For years, Erica Spencer's family was told her murder would be difficult to solve. But they never gave up hope and finally saw light at the end of a dark tunnel when SLED took over the case, charging this man with murder.
It's been a hard 6 years. For the first 4.5, 5 years, nobody was charged. And then last year in January, somebody was finally charged with her murder. And because of COVID, we haven't seen him not one time in a courtroom.
Justice has yet to be served for Erica, who was pregnant when she was killed. While Brandon Maddox sits behind bars on other unrelated charges, Erica's mom waits for the day she can face him in court.
Why? Why did you do this? Why? Why did you choose my daughter?
3 arrest warrants outline the few details Erica's family has been told about her last moments alive. Maddox is charged with murder, criminal sexual conduct, and burglary.
I want him to have to face us as a family and see what he's taken from us.
South Carolina's Supreme Court ordered in-person court hearings to resume on March 15th and jury trials by April 5th. But nearly a year of backlogged cases will cause delays, something Erica's mom says prolongs the pain.
It's very hard waiting even longer because, you know, we expected after the charges in January of last year that we would move on. But little did we know COVID was coming along. And so it made it even slower. I mean, we thought 6 months down the road, we would at least see a court date. But hadn't happened and still hadn't happened.
Now, a hearing is scheduled for next week. Maddox will not appear in court, but a judge could set his court date. We will, of course, stay on top of this and update you as soon as we learn more details. Reporting live in Spartanburg County, Brookley Cromer, Fox Carolina, the 10 o'clock news.